The carrot pudding has this amazing aroma. So good. My favorite dessert. Oh, it's so freaking hot. It's so good. Wow. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere. I'm here in my hometown of Miami and today I'm headed to Coconut Grove to eat some delicious Indian food. We're headed to Saffron at Grove. This place is amazing. They make gourmet Indian food, but they do it from north, east, south, west India. I mean, basically it's a huge variety of food from India. It's more gourmet, and basically the owner, which is also the chef, Hussein, has been a chef for over 30 years. What he told me is that this is authentic, this is not westernized in any way, and it's all made with love. We're gonna eat obviously some butter chicken, some Pani Puri, maybe some dosas. I'm super excited. He said I'm gonna get a huge taste of India, north, west, east, south, the whole thing. Let's go to Saffron at the Grove.
My name is Hussein. I'm from Bombay. I opened up a restaurant. It's ethnic and Indian authentic food like gourmet and an open kitchen. No Indian restaurant that have an open kitchen. You can see through everything made by fresh, by order. What you order, we do on the spot, in public and in front of people. All of the mix with north, south, east and west. We have mixed match, you know, over here. We are going to try a meat lover. We have a meat lover. We have Kathi roll. We have today spinach with paneer. Then we have Madras curry. And the Laal Maas. Laal Maas is specialty from Rajasthan. That is the specialty of the Rajasthan. And then we have a dal. Dal is from Delhi, dal makhani. And then we have breads, different kind of bread.
Mike, Pani Puri. So you made this specially for me?
Yep. This is from all the way from Bombay, you know.
Wow.
Not in the menu, but this is the specialty we have.
Wow.
We made it for you guys.
This is incredible. This is my favorite thing about Mumbai, Pani Puri. So basically, I'm gonna do it now. You dip this stuff into the...
I'll make it ready. Pani Puri, chickpeas with mint sauce and a tamarind. Pani Puri water, it is called Pani Puri Masala water.
Exactly.
This is the imli, you know, imli is tamarind.
Imli.
Imli,
Yeah, I love this, let's go.
Are you gonna have one more?
The wet bread with the mint and tamarind. I just love how it's just like a great, you know, street food snack. Very wet, yummy, crunchy.
There you go.
I love this guy. Pani Puri. When you go to Mumbai, this is the one thing you have to eat. So the first dish we're starting with today is called the non-veg meat platter. We got shrimp tandoori, lamb chops, coconut chicken tikka, and mint chicken tikka. This looks insane. Oh my god, so we're gonna start with a piece of the coconut. This is coconut. Wow. Like they said, everything is made with love. Coconut is like baked in. Oh my god, it's so amazing. And the best thing about tandoori is that they cook in these cold pots and it just gives you like the cold taste. It's so good. Bro, that was amazing. Shrimp tandoori right here. Look at that. It's like bathed in this sauce. Oh my god, I'm gonna get another one of those. This is incredible. It's like a super rich with Indian flavor. Holy smokes. And right here we have an Indian beer. It's called a Power 10,000. Pretty tasty. 7% alcohol, so it's high. Really good.
Lamb chop? Lamb
chop, and what's in this is like the seasoning.
Lamb rack, you know?
It's a lamb rack, yeah. I mean, but the seasoning looks so amazing. That's something about India is that like every single thing just is covered in flavor, you know? Oh my god. A little sweet. Oh, super tender. It's so good. It's also very juicy. My wife is Greek, so I can eat lamb all day. Wow. Just the seasoning they put into this is just so good. It's a big mix of spices, you know, that's one thing that I've said before and I'll say it again. Indian food is not spicy, it's just full of spices. It's so good. Personally, the best part about a lamb chop is the fat. And the last thing I haven't tried from here is the mint chicken tikka. And if you don't know what tikka means, when you say chicken tikka, it means boneless. Tikka means boneless. They bathe that thing in butter. A smoky flavor around it. Oh my god. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a little bit coconut now again. The coconut is like, it's like, I feel like the chicken was infused with coconut. It's incredible. Dude. I don't know, every single thing here was amazing. Tandoori's the best. I have to slow down a little bit because I have a lot of places to come. Look at this, look how amazing it looks. It's so rich with this delicious coconut marination. One thing about Indian cuisine, you have to eat it with basmati rice. Right here, just mix it in. So good. It's more like a flaky rice. It's fantastic with the green chutney. Ridiculous. I mean, if you never had Indian food from India, because a lot of places in the States, it's just like, they're more westernized, but like, when you have Indian cuisine in India, and you know what that tastes like, you're blown away by it. Such a great variety of flavors all over the place, and every 50 kilometers in India, language changes, people change, food changes. So you have this huge mix of food. You know, India is a huge country. Can't tell you how good this is. This is like, it feels like I'm eating in India. Obviously a little more gourmet, you know, less street food, but it's the same thing. I mean, the way they make it is very similar. It's not on the street, it's in a restaurant. And cheers. Saffron on the Grove is amazing. Whew, and this beer is super good. Okay, so here we have 3 different dishes. We have chicken tikka masala, which is basically butter chicken. It's barbecue chicken with a creamy tomato sauce. The next one we have is Sag Paneer, cottage cheese with a creamy spinach sauce. And the next one is
Laal Maas.
Laal Maas, which is a Rajasthani dish. It's lamb with like a red pasty sauce. Dude, it looks incredible. So we also have 3 different naan breads. Naan with butter, naan with mushrooms, cilantro, and truffle oil on top. And then we also have naan with black olives and cilantro. This is gonna be amazing. Okay.
This one's good biryani, and then we also got a raita which always goes with biryani, and it's made out of yogurt and then cucumber, carrots, and some cumin seeds and cilantro especially.
Like I told you earlier, we're gonna try Indian food from all over India. This is Go Biryani, and yeah, Go Biryani is very typical in Hyderabad. Hyderabad's famous for its biryanis. You get a piece of the goat. Oh, look at that. Right there. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a little bit of each. I'm gonna try first the chicken tikka masala. Oh yeah, the chicken is so yummy. It's mixed with this delicious tomato sauce. This is my go-to and the go-to for most people in the Western world. So creamy. The best thing to do is get some naan bread. We're gonna go start with the regular naan bread. You know, dip it in the sauce. Oh yeah, the perfect marriage, the bread with the sauce. This is my favorite part about Indian cuisine, putting the naan bread into the sauces. What I usually do is this, I just put the sauce on top. Go all day with this. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna try the lamb from Rajasthan. Holy, this has just gone to the top of my list for the best lamb of all time. The flavors in the sauce and the lamb is so tender. I'm getting blown away. I get some of the biryani, but I mix it a little bit with the sauce. It's always good to mix the sauces with the rice. You can basically call me the Indian food assassin, because I kill all Indian food I eat. When I kill it, I eat it all. So good. And right here we have the bone to go. Get a little bit of that bone marrow. And next we have the Sag Paneer. Wow, spinach with cottage cheese. It really is like an incredible combination. A lot of people haven't eaten this. This is a really good veg dish. And it's not too sweet. It's actually like very light. Oh wow. I'm gonna mix all the rice with all three sauces. Get a little bit of that lamb right there. Like that. Wow. This is truly all the flavors of India. Now what we gotta do is we gotta try all the naan breads, right? Here we have naan with cilantro and black olives. Very good. Oh, black olives with this? Great. You just gotta put a little bit of sauce on top, right? Just a little bit. I think the chicken tikka masala sauce is probably the best sauce in India. I'm gonna try this lamb one. Oh, right there. Let's try the spinach with this one. Chicken tikka masala, the lamb one, and then that one. Here we have the mushroom and cilantro naan with truffle oil on top. Oh my god, the truffle oil always makes everything better. Oh, I don't even need sauce for this one. It's like a delicious pizza. So lamb Kathi roast. So this is a roti with minced lamb inside. So the sauce on top is mayo, cilantro, mint, all the sauces mixed together on top. I mean, it looks amazing. Oh, it's a little sweet. Oh, it's so good. The olives inside too. I mean, anything with lamb inside. Wow. So guys, I have a lot of food, but did I finish all of it? No. So I'll have some more. I mean, this is the best thing ever, the lamb. So one of the main reasons why I'm going to Hyderabad is because of the biryani. The biryani it's the most famous place in India for biryani. Like, what a great combination, guys. It's so amazing. Now let's have some dessert. Here we have mango kofti, which is basically Indian ice cream. And here we have Shahi Tukda. So it's Indian bread pudding. It's a piece of bread, reduced milk, saffron strands, and it also has pineapple soaked in saffron water. This looks incredible. I think I'm gonna start with this one. No, I love this. I had this a lot in Delhi. It's so good. It has like a minty flavor. Just fell apart. Bread pudding. So it's just toasted bread, right?
Falooda as well right here.
Falooda? Oh, Falooda. Oh my god, you hit me with Falooda? Falooda. Oh, I love this. Wow. I mean, the rose milk with the noodles and the caramel ice cream. Oh my god. Super refreshing. This is how you do it in Delhi. Oh my god. Hold on. I had this in Mumbai at like 11 at night and it was 100 degrees outside. This was like the best thing to refresh my palate. And then here we have another dish. Gajar Halwa, carrot pudding. The carrot pudding has this amazing aroma. Oh my god, it's hot. Like a milk with rice. So good. My favorite dessert. Oh, it's so freaking hot. It's so good. Wow. What can I tell you about this restaurant? Every single dish blew me away. My favorite dishes were the Laal Maas, which is like that Rajasthani lamb with this amazing red sauce. It was so like delightful. I mean, wow, blew me away. And then the other dishes, chicken tikka masala, obviously. The meat platter was incredible. Again, my favorite part about that was the lamb, but the coconut chicken tikka was incredible too. And I mean, desserts, I think the carrot was out of control. But every single thing is amazing here. You can also try Indian beers here. This is the one I tried today, Power 10,000. So a strong beer, it's a big beer. It's like a pint, so 16 ounces. Really good beer. And yeah, I mean, if you're in Kulfi Grove, definitely come here if you're looking for Indian food. They also have a few other locations. They have Ayesha in Key Biscayne. They're opening up in Midtown. They have one in Pinecrest. So, I mean, you have a variety of Indian cuisine here. I mean, they have basically a big mix from north, south, east, west. And yeah, definitely recommend coming to Saffron at the Grove It's a must visit. If you love Indian food, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next travel adventure.